Listing 3746 is the perfect opportunity for an individual looking to become the owner of a highly successful, well-established auto repair business in the Schaumburg, Illinois area. This business has developed an impeccable reputation and loyal customers with its fast turnaround times, modern amenities, and 7-day work week. Their effective online advertising program produces a constant supply of new customers every week. The business itself is also highly visible, with plenty of daily traffic, and is centrally located near an emission testing facility. The current owner, who's retiring, will offer training and assistance for a negotiable period of time. All equipment and inventory will convey with the sale of the business. The shop is available to view and walk through after hours or on the weekend. For more information, please call 1-800-565-1330 or email us at sales@AutoBizBrokers.com.